Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about Pokemon.
Pika, Pika, Pikachu!
Wow! Yay! Lastly is Luca's favorite. Wow, this is a VMAX Charizard, and it's a gold one. Wow!
Uh-oh!
Hey Luca, let's catch some Pokeballs. Oh yeah, we're gonna use Pokeballs. With my Pokeball, I'm gonna catch Squirrel. Look, he's inside. And I will catch Pichu. Look, he inside. Okay, stop sleeping. Today we're not gonna read those books. We're not gonna show you Pokemons. We're not gonna show you Lego Charizard either. Today we're gonna show you our great Pokemon card. How about we start from the big GX? Wow, it's a GX! But we're gonna show you our favorite card. This is my favorite card, Magikarp and Weather. And this is my favorite card, Charizard GX. Wow, it's a good card. Before we gonna open our new one, we gonna show you favorite cards. Okay, I will be first. I will show you my favorite one. This is a GX Tag Team. This is a VMAX.
Please subscribe!
Hey, do you know really good comic Pokemons? Well, I'm right now in costume Pikachu. Pika Pika. Let me show you some comic Pokemon. This is Squirrel. This is Pikachu. This is Bulbasaur. This is the strongest Pokemon, but he's a basic. He's Charmander.
Yes!
Well, you can see them up here. Okay, those are the battle Pokemon that will battle together. Okay, this is Venusaur. Venusaur is the last stage of Bulbasaur. And this is Blastoise, Luca's favorite. And this is my favorite Pokemon in this box. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you 10 more favorite Pokemon cards. This one, a EX. Legendary. Now I'm gonna show you my Mega Charizard. This is Lugia, the strongest Pokemon. And this is, I don't know his name, but he's really strong. This is Red Gyarados. He's supposed to be blue, but he's red. And this is an electric Pokemon. He can light any street light. And this is the cutest Pokemon. This is a championship. And this is Mewtwo, but he cannot win Lugia. And this is a metal Pokemon. His Mega type is really good. This is Genja, the baddest and the sneakiest Pokemon. And now my favorite one. This is Groudon, a first ever EX I never got. Now is my turn, my favorite team. And this is the Golden. And And this is a leaking rock. And this is the taxi, restaurant, and Charizard. And this is a Mega Venusaur. And this is a Sharpedo. And this is the Charizard, the leaf one. And this is the beaver. It's hug all the trainers and Pokemon. And the last one is Eevee. And now time to open our new card. Whose will be first one? I know. Let's throw a coin. Luca, pick a side. Blue. Okay, and I'm choosing black. Okay, Luca, you can go first. Because you're a little one. Luca got black. Okay, you can go first. Okay. Wow. Oh, you got one. That's cool. Oh, I got a T-Rex. Let's open it and see what's inside. Punch down. Yes, there we go. Yay! No, that one we do not. Wow. Wow. That's cute. And I got this.
That's a funny one.
And I got this. Now I got this. And I got the metal Pokemon. And I got this. And I got this. And I got a lion.
Oh yeah!
And I got this. Wow, let's get the energy. Wow, this is a VMAX Charizard, and it's a gold one. Wow! Can do so many damage. Wow! Why it is gold? I don't know. Let's go to another one. Wow, Luca, how do you like my card? Because it looks like good. I know, it's a special one, and health is more. Yeah, it's so cool. Yes, he can win every of those guys. That's cool. That's the end. This guy is strong, but then he goes to Charmeleon, then he evolves to my favorite one. Then my favorite evolves to VMAX. That's really cool! Wow, I can't believe it. All the cards are paper, and this is a metal one. And it is also a gold one. How come? I don't know. Maybe it's a special one! Yes! This is my VMAX. This is my VMAX. I need to open it right now! Yes, go ahead. I hope you get one of these. Luca, don't forget we also have keychains. Really? One for you and one for me. Let's open them. Wow. Ding, ding, ding. Hey man, where's my pizza? Here. Enough. Now I need to open my cards. Okay. Let's see what you got. Luca, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, look what you got. Whoa. You got the same one how I got. Okay, maybe something special. Wow. You got Luca. Do you know his name? Nope. This is Cuban. Cuban? Yeah. Let's see another. Wow, this is a bird. Wow, there's a pig! Wow! We met! I love it! I love it! I love it! Yes! I love it! I love it! Ooh, I got the same one. But what is rainbow? I like its car because it has rainbow. My brother likes rainbow. Yeah. And I also get gold one. I knew it, you will get one. Bye guys. See you next video. Put so many likes if you like it. Hey guys, I bet you know we're gonna trade right now. I'm getting my card. My card. Okay, I'm trading my... I don't trade for you. I'm trading my primal Kyogre. I want to trade for no one. Come on, no. Okay, let's trade.